Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to stop game download. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Method 1. Go to games, select games tab from top left corner. Go to right side and select game library. Here we can see the game which is right now is in download state. See, right now I am downloading this game, so I am going to stop it. Press options button on the PS5 controller. Press options button. See, now here we can see the delete option, so we can select delete and stop this download. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Go to home screen, then press PS button on the controller. Press PS button, then we need to select this downloads and uploads. Select it. So now we can see the one download is going on, so I am going to stop it. Press options button on the controller. So now we can see the options: pause, cancel and delete. Let me select cancel and delete. Select yes. Done. So this way we can stop game download on PS5. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.